Alright guys, today we're going to be working on the 05 TJ. Going to replace the oil pan. As you can see here, it was pretty much rusted through. So we took it off. I didn't get any of that on video, but we're just cleaning up here where it seals. See if we can get that camera in focus. There we go. Cleaning up where it seals up. And we'll put it back on. To take this off, you actually have to take off the exhaust. Up there, 4 bolts, no big deal. They weren't too rusted. I actually think I'm going to reuse them. And then we took off the starter right here too, just to have some more room. I'm going to finish cleaning this up, match it up, make sure the oil pan we got fits, and I'll get back with you. Here are the bolts. We're going to reuse them, probably clean them up some. I'd highly recommend putting them in some sort of configuration. You know, the way you took them off makes it a lot easier. We'll get these cleaned up and ready to use. Here's the new oil pan with the gasket. Looks nice. I think this is going to turn out nice. Hopefully no more leaking. The old one had some rust in it. That's why we're replacing it. Rusted all the way through and was leaking all over the place. Alright. So we got it up there. It's not torqued yet. The gasket fit perfectly. Everything's going in just as it should. We're going to go ahead and torque these down, put the exhaust back on, and we're ready to roll.